So I'm going to share with you 3 costly mistakes that you want to stop making so that you can earn more points on bar exam essays. And stay till the end because I'm going to save the best for last. And subscribe to my channel so you can get notified when I do post more videos. So let's get started. So I went from not passing the bar exam the first time to passing in 3 states because I realized I had made costly mistakes the first time around, and I needed to change those things and stop making those mistakes. So these are the 3 mistakes you want to avoid making so that you can pass the bar exam. The first one is you want to stop only listing your elements in your rule portion of your essay, in your rule paragraph. You don't only want to list the elements, you want to show the bar exam grader that you know how that rule works. So tell them what those elements mean, how it works, what you know about that rule, and explain and show the bar exam grader that you know your rule. They're not testing your memory. They want to see that you actually understand what the rule means and how it works. So stop making the mistake of only listing your elements. Okay. The second mistake you want to stop making is starting out your analysis by regurgitating the facts in the fact pattern. Remember that bar exam graders are reading answers to the same essay over and over again. So after the first or second or third essay, they know these facts by heart. The last thing they want is somebody else telling them what happened in the fact pattern. So stop doing that. I see bar exam takers do that a lot, where they start their analysis telling the bar exam grader all over again what happens in the fact pattern. The third mistake that you want to stop making is showing up like a law student in your analysis or like a bar exam taker. Even though you're a bar exam taker, the bar exam is testing whether you're ready to go out into the world as a practicing attorney. So you have to show up as the attorney version of yourself. You can't show up like the law school version of yourself because they're testing again, whether you are ready to go out into the world as a practicing attorney. So really show them that you are. And you can do this by kicking up your analysis, kick it up a notch, make it fierce. Show them that you are ready to advocate on behalf of your client, that you're not showing up with wishy-washy arguments, because only law students would do that, or only bar exam takers would do that. An attorney would not show up with wishy-washy arguments to defend their clients. So that's the third mistake you can stop making to earn more points. So just to recap, the first one, don't just list your elements in the rule portion of your essay. The second one is don't start out regurgitating the facts, telling the bar exam grader again what happened in the fact pattern. And lastly, don't show up like a law student. Show up as the attorney version of yourself so that you can kick up your analysis a notch and earn more points. All right, guys, I hope these tips help you. I hope you stop making these costly mistakes. I guarantee they will earn you more points on bar exam essays. And I have a free masterclass. If you want to sign up, email me. I have my email below. It's on how to study for the bar exam. The main bar prep courses don't really show you how to use their materials. They just give you this big box of books, and you think you have to memorize everything in that big box of books. But that is not, that's physically impossible, first of all, and it's not the best strategy. So I made this masterclass to show you exactly how you can use your bar prep materials more effectively. So email me if you're interested, and check out my MBE MPT workshop. It's on my website, and I am also including the link below. All right, guys, and please lastly, make sure you like or comment on this video. Let me know which one of these tips you found most helpful. Bye, guys.